So in Sydney Central train station, this is the Country Trains terminal. That's the departures board that has Sydney services, intercity and then regional services. And if you look over here, you can see these are a whole list of departures. You can't really tell from this board, but these ones, that's an XPT, so you need a book ticket. And that's an XPT, so you need a book ticket, and that's an XPT, so you need a book ticket. And that's arrival, so there's quite a lot of trains coming and going. This is the map of the Intercity Rail network, where you can use either your Opal card or just a credit card. So we're here, Sydney Central, and it goes all the way north to Newcastle, and then from Newcastle you can go all the way up the Hunter Valley to Dungog and Scone. And then if you go from Sydney south, there's this line that goes all the way along the coast down to Bomaderry, which is near Nowra. And then there's this line which goes to the Southern Highlands, all the way down to Goulburn. And then there's also this line here that goes to the Blue Mountains, over the Blue Mountains and all the way to Bathurst. And then this is the regional train and coaches network. We're here in Sydney. So for some of the lines you can see Broadmeadow is in Newcastle and Dungog is the last stop on the Intercity Rail network, as is Scone. So you can these are book services. You can see all the way up the coast the train goes inland, but there's buses that connect in the system. And similarly here, this one goes out as far out as Bathurst with the Intercity network, but then there's lines that go further out to Dubbo where the zoo is, Parks, Condobolin, all the way out to Broken Hill. Similarly, Canberra in the south, and then from Canberra there's buses to Bombala and Eden on the coast. Same up, you can get up into the Snowy Mountains, Tumbarumba, Wagga, and then over the border down to Melbourne.